Hey lovely people, hope all of you are doing great and are safe with your family and loved ones. As the most awaited winter season is setting in, most of us are up with cold and cough. In this video, I am going to share with you a miracle cough remedy which is super effective for young and old. Let's check on the ingredients for this cough remedy. For this we need 50 grams of peppercorns, 25 grams of long pepper. You can get this in any of the herbal ingredient stores. This is also known as tipali. This is soft when you break and it's very effective and has a lot of health benefits. We need 50 grams of ginger powder and 100 grams of natural palm sugar, which is also available in the herbal ingredient stores. Since the long pepper is soft, we need to dry roast this on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until you get the aroma from this spice. Cool it completely. You can see it's become crispy now and is easily breakable. Here I am grinding the palm sugar first in my coffee grinder until it's finely powdered. Remove this in a bowl. Next, I'll grind the peppercorns finely. Add this to the powdered palm sugar. Now I'll grind the long peppercorns until it's nice and fine. Add this to the palm sugar and pepper powder. Now we add in the dry ginger powder to this palm sugar mixture. Mix them up all thoroughly well until well blended. This is how it should look. Mix half a teaspoon of this prepared powder in 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it up thoroughly. This is how it should look. You can store this dry mixture in an airtight glass jar for up to a year and use it whenever you have cough or cold. It works like magic. Do not drink water up to an hour after you take this medicine so that it works effectively. You may take this medicine 3 times a day. Do not forget to take this medicine at bedtime as it will allow you to sleep undisturbed by cough. Here we come to the end of this miracle cough remedy. With this super simple and highly effective herbal home remedy, you can be rest assured that your cough and cold are a thing of the past. It not only gives you relief from cough but also unblocks the nasal passage and allows you to sleep peacefully. If you do try this out and end up benefiting from it, please leave a comment down below so that others may benefit from it as well. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and eat healthy.